My name is Soraya. I'm a video and photo editor at KENSAM, and I've grown a lot since joining the team back in 2024. My role mainly focuses on editing. I handle color correction, apply effects, and organize footage to turn it into a clean, impactful final video. And honestly, I play a small part in making sure it actually makes you feel something. One project that really stood out to me was Ken and Sinead's wedding. It taught me how important shot execution is and how working closely with the team helps everything come together the way it should. Since joining, I've improved a lot in structuring and organizing edits, planning creatively, and managing deadlines while still maintaining quality. As I move into 2026, I'm focused on building my advanced editing skills and continuing to grow in filming and shooting. If you're looking to grow, gain real experience, and push yourself creatively, you can apply to work with us. It's not for everyone, but if it's right for you, you'll know.